Okay. Get my soldering iron here. Put a little bit right there. I'll put a little bit on the other side. Alright. We've got this one here. Let me slide this down a little bit, make sure that's engaged. Looking good so far. Put that on there. Ah, yes. Okay, we're back in business. So, all right, now go ahead and put this. Oh yeah, that fits. That's a lot nicer. That is a lot nicer. Okay, that's fitting a lot nicer. Okay. Fitting up against there. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm not, let's see. Go ahead. I've got this resting against that point. Take my NMR track gauge and let me slide this a little bit more. Keep sliding this back and forth. Check the gauge. Move this a little bit closer. I'm gonna get this fit up against there as tight as possible. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Get this to fit against there as tight as possible. So you keep kind of pushing it in like that. Okay, I think that's probably gonna do. Alright, let me check here. I may have to adjust the angle a little bit. So I'm kind of eyeballing it here right now. I just want to make sure that this is engaged right here, and then we can always adjust these rails later. And that this diverging rail is more or less in line with what's going on here. So, okay, I think we're good. I'm going to take a little solder, put it right there. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to take my NMR track gauge. I'm going to adjust this rail a little bit, push that one in just a little bit. Alright, so now I've got my gauges here. Put one right there. I'm going to take another, I can probably see that right there. Okay, I'm going to take another bit of solder. I'm going to take my file and kind of push against this rail a little bit to make sure this is as snug up against the other rail as possible. Put a piece of solder right there. Touch it. Like that. Okay. And we now have a point. I'll zoom in a little bit more. Gonna let me zoom in. Okay. Right there. So we have our point. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and double check. Gauge through there using the NMR gauge. That's looking good. That's looking good. That's looking good. Looking good. That's looking well. I haven't done anything there yet. I'm going to go ahead and put my gauge back on right here. Oops, got my hand a little way. Put it over there as a little ways. Get it out. I'm going to go ahead and pin the end of this rail down. Go ahead and solder that. There we go. It's now soldered in place. And we go ahead and put, let's get that secure. Put some more solder discs down here and here. And here. And here. Alright. Go ahead and just pin this down. Like that. So there, like that. And oops. Picked up my disc with me. Big fat fingers here. Got that in place. Alright, there we go. Touch it there, there we go.